Alright, first we're going to prove the superposition theorem. And as I explained, superposition principle tells us that we'll build this first circuit, this one first, with the 10-volt source here. And then we'll build another circuit with 9-volt source here. And then finally we'll build this third circuit with both of these voltages. And if the current in all of these branches, all these different branches, where current due to this source and this source, if all of them are added to give the current due to both of these sources, then our superposition theorem is proved. Alright, so I build the circuit for figure 1. So we'll start from the positive side of supply. That is the best way to start building your circuit. So positive side of our supply, so positive side of our supply. So here, this column is positive and this column is negative of our Espotec Labrador power supply, right? So this 1.5 k ohm resistance is this. It's coming from the positive here and it's being connected somewhere here. And then to that point, 1.2 k ohm resistance and 1 k ohm resistance are being connected, right? So we'll replace this 1.2 k with 1.5 k because we do not have 1.2 k ohm resistance in our kit. So this is replaced by 1.5 k and 1 k, which are connected across this leg of this 1.5 k ohm resistance, right? So here, and this circuit, this is my 1 k ohm resistance, and this is my 1.5 k ohm resistance, which was supposed to be 1.2 k. All right, and now let's go back. So with this leg of the other leg of 1.2 k ohm resistance, which we replaced by 1.5 k, 2.2 k would be connected, right? So here, this is 1.5 k, so this is 2.2 k being connected. So what's being connected on this leg of 2.2 k? 2.7 k here, right? And another 2.2 k here. So here, this is 2.7 k, and this is 2.2 k. And at the same place, this 1 k was being connected with 1.5 k and this 1.2 k. So this is my 1 k. All right, and now this 1 k is the one that remains. So here is that 1 k. So now if you see here carefully, 1 k, one of the end is being connected here, which is this point where we have connected this. Now the other point is going to the ground, right? The other leg of 1 k is going to the ground. Similarly, this 2.2 k, the other leg is going to the ground, right? It's going to the ground. So that's what we do. So this 2.2 k, the other leg, it should be grounded with one cable. Similarly, this 1 k is also grounded with this wire to the it is brought down to the ground. All right, let me explain this once more again. All right, so this is the first 1.5 k ohm resistance, which is coming from positive of our power supply. The other leg goes here on this same row. This 1.5 k ohm resistance goes, which was originally supposed to be 1.2 k, and also other 1 k ohm resistance goes. All right, and at this leg of this 1.5 k ohm resistance, 2.2 k is being connected here, and to this other leg of 2.2 k, this leg at the same row, 2.2 k resistance is being connected, and another 2.7 k resistance is being connected. All right, and there's this common point where this 1 k is being connected, this 2.7 k is being connected, and another 1 k is being connected. All these three are in the same row. All right, now if you look at your lab manual carefully, what's happening is one of the leg of this 1K resistance is going to the ground or negative of the power supply. So I've used this red wire to bring it to the ground. Also, this 2.2K, one of the leg of the 2.2K ohm resistance at the bottom is also going to the ground or negative of the power supply. So I've used this orange wire to bring it down to the ground. Have both of the two sources. So what basically happening is this 9 volts should be your battery that we have in your kit. I'll show you how to connect the battery. Now what's happening is this 2.2K, one of the leg of 2.2K is being connected to the positive of the battery and also to the negative of the Spotec Labrador, right? And this positive side of the battery is being connected to the negative of your Spotec Labrador, which is 10 volts. All right, I'll say that again. So this is your battery, this 9 volts. The positive side of your battery is being connected to the negative side of the 10 volts, where one of the leg of this 2.2K is also going, right? And the negative side of the battery is being connected to one of the leg of this 1K ohm resistance. So now this is our circuit. So this is the battery. Use the battery cap that you have in your kit. This is a 9 volt battery source. It can be a little less or a little more than that, and that's okay. And so use this cap which has 2 wires, so all the circuit remains the same. Just this 1K is being connected to the negative, this black wire of the battery, and the positive of the battery is going to the negative of the Labrador right here. And this 2.2K is this one should go to the negative of the Labrador itself. So it should go here to the negative, right? So that way it completes our circuit, and this is figure 3. I'll explain this circuit again. So this is our battery. This 1K, the one of the leg of this 1K is being connected to the negative of the battery. The positive of the battery is going to the negative of the aspetic Labrador here. And everything else remains just the same. This 2.2K, as opposed to in figure 2, it was going to the positive of the aspetic Labrador. Now it should go to the negative of the aspetic Labrador, like it was in figure 1.